12 healthy foods that are high in iron. Iron is a mineral that can help carry oxygen throughout the body. It can also help maintain a healthy red blood cell count. It's an essential nutrient, meaning you must get it from food. The daily value, DV, is 18 milligrams. Interestingly, the amount of iron your body absorbs is partly based on how much you have stored. A deficiency can occur if your intake is too low to replace the amount you lose every day. Getting enough iron is also important for maintaining a healthy body, as it can cause various symptoms such as fatigue and anemia. Menstruating women are more prone to iron deficiency. Luckily, there are plenty of good food choices to help you meet your daily iron needs. Here are 12 healthy foods that are high in iron. 1. Shellfish. Aside from being nutritious, shellfish are also high in iron. Some of the most common sources of iron are oysters, clams, and mussels. For instance, a 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of clams may contain up to 3 milligrams of iron, which is 17% of the DV. However, the iron content of clams is highly variable, and some types may contain much lower amounts. The iron in shellfish is heme iron, which your body absorbs more easily than the non-heme iron found in plants. A 3.5 ounce serving of clams has 26 grams of protein, which is more than enough to meet your daily protein needs. It also provides you with vitamin C and vitamin B12. In fact, all types of shellfish are also high in nutrients. They can also help lower cholesterol levels in your blood. Despite the concerns about toxins and mercury in certain types of seafood, such as oysters and clams, the health benefits of eating seafood outweigh the risks. 2. Spinach. Spinach provides many health benefits but very few calories. About 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of raw spinach contain 2.7 milligrams of iron or 15% of the DV. Although this is non-heme iron, which isn't absorbed very well, spinach is also rich in vitamin C. This is important since vitamin C significantly boosts iron absorption. Besides being nutritious, spinach is also filled with antioxidants, which can lower your risk of various diseases. It can also help protect your eyes from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation. Consuming spinach and other leafy greens with fat help your body absorb the carotenoids, so make sure to eat healthy fat like olive oil with your spinach. 3. Liver and other organ meats. Aside from being nutritious, organ meats such as liver, kidney, and heart are also high in iron. For example, a 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of beef liver contains 6.5 milligrams of iron or 36% of the DV. Organ meats are also high in protein and rich in B vitamins, copper, and selenium. The liver is especially high in vitamin A, providing an impressive 1049% of the DV per 3.5 ounce serving. Besides being nutritious, organ meats are also filled with nutrients that can help improve the health of your liver and brain. 4. Legumes. Legumes are loaded with nutrients. Some of the most common types of legumes are beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas, and soybeans. They're a great source of iron, especially for vegetarians. 1 cup, 198 grams, of cooked lentils contains 6.6 milligrams, which is 37% of the DV. Beans like black beans, navy beans, and kidney beans can all help easily bump up your iron intake. In fact, a half cup, 86 gram, serving of cooked black beans provides around 1.8 grams of iron or 10% of the DV. Legumes are also a good source of folate, magnesium, and potassium. Studies have shown that eating legumes can lower the inflammation levels in people with diabetes. They can also help lower the risk of heart disease in individuals with metabolic syndrome. Aside from being beneficial for your health, eating legumes can also help lower your weight. They're also high in soluble fiber, which can help lower your appetite and increase your sense of fullness. In one study, a high-fiber diet containing beans was shown to be as effective as a low-carb diet for weight loss. To maximize iron absorption, consume legumes with foods high in vitamin C, such as tomatoes, greens, or citrus fruits. 5. Red meat. Red meat is satisfying and nutritious. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of ground beef contains 2.7 milligrams of iron, which is 15% of the DV. Meat is also rich in protein, zinc, selenium, and several B vitamins. According to health experts, people who eat a wide variety of meat products, such as chicken and fish, are less prone to iron deficiency. Red meat is also a great source of heme iron, which can be easily accessed by people prone to anemia. A study conducted on women revealed that those who eat meat retain iron better than those who take iron supplements. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a tasty, portable snack. A 1 ounce, 28 gram, serving of pumpkin seeds contains 2.5 milligrams of iron, which is 14% of the DV. Besides being nutritious, pumpkin seeds are also a good source of manganese, vitamin K, and zinc. They can also help lower the risk of getting magnesium deficiency. A serving of pumpkin seeds is also filled with 40% of the DV for magnesium, which can help lower your risk of developing diabetes, depression, and insulin resistance. 7. Quinoa. A cup of cooked quinoa is a good source of iron, which is 16% of the daily requirement. Also, unlike other grains, quinoa does not contain gluten, which is a good choice for people with gluten intolerance or other forms of intolerance. Quinoa is also higher in protein than many other grains, as well as rich in folate, magnesium, copper, manganese, and many other nutrients. Aside from being nutritious, quinoa also has more antioxidant activity than other grains. This food can help protect your cells from free radicals, which are chemicals that can damage them when activated by stress. 8. Turkey. Turkey meat is healthy and delicious food. It's also a good source of iron, especially dark turkey meat. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, portion of dark turkey meat has 1.4 milligrams of iron, which is 8% of the DV. In comparison, the same amount of white turkey meat contains only 0.7 milligrams. Turkey meat is also packed with various nutrients, such as 28 grams of protein per serving. It additionally has high levels of zinc and selenium, as well as several B vitamins. High-protein diets, such as turkey, can help people lose weight. They can also increase their metabolism and feel full after eating. High protein intake can also help prevent the muscle loss that occurs during weight loss and the aging process. 9. Broccoli. 1 cup of cooked broccoli is also filled with 1 milligram of iron, which is 6% of the daily requirement. A serving of broccoli also has 112% of the daily requirement for vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. This nutritious food is also filled with various nutrients, such as vitamin K and folate. It is part of the cruciferous vegetables family, which also includes cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. The nutrients found in cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, are believed to protect against cancer. They contain compounds known as indole, which are believed to help prevent the development of cancer. 10. Tofu. Tofu is a soy-based food that's popular among vegetarians and in some Asian countries. A half cup, 126 gram, serving provides 3.4 milligrams of iron, which is 19% of the DV. Besides being nutritious, tofu is also filled with various nutrients, such as calcium, magnesium, and selenium. It also has 22 grams of protein per serving. The compounds found in tofu, which are known as isoflavones, can help lower the risk of heart disease and improve the sensitivity of one's insulin. 11. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is incredibly delicious and nutritious. A 1 ounce, 28 gram, serving contains 3.4 milligrams of iron, which is 19% of the DV. This small serving also packs 56% and 15% of the DVs for copper and magnesium, respectively. In addition, it contains prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the friendly bacteria in your gut. A study revealed that dark chocolate and cocoa powder have more antioxidant properties than juices and powders from berries and acai berries. Studies also suggest that drinking dark chocolate can lower one's risk of heart disease and stroke. Although dark chocolate is known to have higher levels of nutrients than milk chocolate, it's not always the same. Due to the compounds in it, it's believed that its benefits are due to its flavanol content. Therefore, it's best to consume chocolate with a minimum of 70% cocoa to get the maximum benefits. 12. Fish. Fish is a highly nutritious ingredient, and certain varieties like tuna are especially high in iron. In fact, a 3 ounce, 85 gram, serving of canned tuna contains about 1.4 milligrams of iron, which is approximately 8% of the DV. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are also beneficial for one's heart health. They can help lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. One of the most important nutrients that one can benefit from is omega-3 fatty acids, which can help promote healthy brain development and improve the immune system. Fish also contain several other essential nutrients, including niacin, selenium, and vitamin B12. Some of the other iron-rich fish that can be included in your diet include tuna, sardines, and haddock. The bottom line. Iron is an important mineral that must be consumed regularly as your body cannot produce it on its own. Yet, it should be noted that some people need to limit their intake of red meat and other foods high in heme iron. However, most people are easily able to regulate the amount they absorb from food. If you're not able to consume meat or fish, you can still boost iron absorption by getting vitamin C from plant sources.